Hello everybody, I am Mr. Tarot and I want to talk about international politics around the world. In this case, I want to talk about the wildfire in Los Angeles, okay? It's very important this news because so many people around the world are very worried about the situation, mainly the Americans, okay? The wildfire continues its trajectory, uh, even goes San Diego, okay? And I ask a question, will the wildfire in Los Angeles disappear with a big rain? Okay, let me see. I'm gonna read the tarot. Okay, and I have a question again. Will the wildfire in Los Angeles disappear with a big rain? Will the wildfire in Los Angeles disappear with a big rain? Yes or no? Let me see, please. It's very important what the tarot says. Okay. The tarot tells me yes. Okay. The tarot tells me yes. You can see this card. You can see this card. I see this wildfire disappear with a big rain. Okay. A for, fortunately, this Wi-Fi will disappear because a big rain is coming out in the next week. Okay, it's very important in news because the Wi-Fi generally disappear with rains. Okay, okay. The U.S. government of Donald Trump want to stop the Wi-Fi, but this natural disaster will disappear with rains. Okay, because the Wi-Fi is very dangerous for these areas. Uh, uh, the unique form to disappear this Wi-Fi is with a big rain. Okay, this is my prediction. Thanks for watching my video. Ring the bell please and subscribe to my channel. And please pray the rosary, okay? Pray the rosary all days, all time, all week. It's very important for God. If you pray the rosary, you can say this word. And I leave my number in the comments or the description of this video. Please, I have your comments, okay? I have your comment because I read your comments all days. Bye bye.